Welcome to House of Accounts. In this video we are going to discuss branch accounting from branch account. Okay, so we are going to discuss the next question. Here is some abstract I have put here. Okay, let's go to the question, and this question is from stock and debtor system. Earlier we have done some problem about the debtor system. Now it is stock and debtor system. Okay, there is a general entries also, accounting entries in the books of head office. I have already mentioning, we have already discussed in introduction part. So this question is related to stock and debtor system. Okay, let's go to the question. Okay, let's make it some large so we can view clear. Okay, here is the format. So let's start the question directly. Satish Limited Pune opened a branch at Hyderabad on 1st June 2005. The goods was sent by head office to the branch, invoice at selling price of the branch, which was 125%. How much? Selling price of the branch, which was 125% of the cost price of the head office. How much? Branch invoice at selling price of the branch, which was 125% of the cost price of the head office. Following are the particulars relating to Hyderabad branch. Ascertain the profit and loss made at the branch according to stock and debtor system. Here, goods sent to branch at head office, how much? 2 lakhs. Cash collected from customer 80,000. Damaged goods at invoice price, how much damage? 500. Cash sent to branch to meet the expenses 6,800. Cash sales 1 lakh. Credit sales 1,10,000. Discount allowed debtor to customer 2,000. Return goods returned by customer 3,000, and the closing stock is 42,500. So now we have to do answer with the stock and debtor system. So in the books of head office, so let's prepare the ledger account of branch stock account. Here first, write only entries related to stock. Goods sent to branch, how much goods sent? 2 lakh rupees. There is no opening stock, not given, so go directly with goods from head office. So how much? 2 lakh. So goods from head office, the overall value is, here see, 2 lakh rupees. And this is 125%. Branch invoice at selling price of the branch head office. Okay, sent by the head office to branch, invoiced at selling price of the branch, which was 125% of the cost price of the head office. Okay, so whatever the goods which were sent by head office to its branch, and that value of the goods is 125% of the cost price of head office. Means whatever the goods at head office which is extra 125. Okay, the normal value is whatever the normal value, and there is extra added in goods, so we will find it in. Okay, here also we can do 2 lakh. How much goods sent to branch? 2 lakh. Okay, see here, 2 lakh into 25 divided by 125. Or is okay, 2 lakh into 25% directly, because this is already added. So how much goods from head office is 2 lakh, and 25% extra means 2 lakhs into 25 is overall how much? 2,50,000. How it is possible means the total goods sent by head office is 2 lakh. Okay, and 125% means the whatever the value is 100%, 25% add 25% to this 100%. So that's why we have taken 25% from 2 lakhs. That's why it became 2,50,000. Okay, now cash collected is not can damage goods at invoice. Okay, here this is the branch stock, uh, goods sent. Okay, there is no opening stock, cash collected, damaged goods X stock, invoice price, cash sent to bank is also there, and cash sales also there, credit sale and cash sale there. See, cash sale how much? 1 lakh, credit sale 1 lakh 10,000. 1 lakh cash sales, 1 lakh 10,000 credit sales. And closing stock is also given here, 42,500 discount allowed. Okay, next entry and return by customer is there. Discount, okay, closing stock how much it is given? 42,500. Here write profit and loss, or goods, that is entry also there, goods return by customer also, because customer is returning our goods. See, goods returned by customer how much? 3,000. Okay, this is a branch stock account, and goods returned from customers is a 3,000. Okay, here closing stock how much? 42,500. Okay, cash sale, this is all income side, and opening stock goods from head office, that is the expense side. Add this 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 10,000, 52,500. Is there any entry? See, damaged goods at invoice price. Goods are damaged at how much? Invoice price, that is overall amount is 500. Okay, okay, here damaged goods at invoice price. Okay, here is a closing one, right? By damage goods, or else okay, by branch P&L also you can write for damage purpose how much it is? 500. But in these 500, that is a cost plus, means cost, extra cost is added. So 500 into 25 divided by 125 means 100. We will get 100. So right here 100. Okay, so all the entries related to stock are over. Now calculate. Here if this is balance brought down, balance carried down also we have to write, then we can write damaged goods. We have forget for damage, so I'm writing here for damage. By damaged goods how much it is? Branch P&L is 100 is different. Okay, now here by damage how much? For cost of short, we can write cost of short. In place of damage also we can use cost of shorts, there is no matter, and that is 400. Now there is no opening loss, and this is head office, goods from head office, all the entries. Okay, see, is there any other entries which we have lost? No, we have taken all the entries which is used for stock account. Now branch invoice at selling price of the branch. Okay, so head office to branch invoice at selling price of the branch, which was 125% of cost price. Okay, which of 125% of the cost price. See here, total amount how much? 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh 10,000, 2 lakh 52,000, 2 lakh 50, 2 lakh 53,000. Okay, the debit amount is 2 lakh 50,000 and credit amount also 2 lakh 53,000. Let me adjust this first. Okay, here just a moment. Okay, let's calculate here. This is all 1 lakh, 1 lakh 10. This is 2 lakh 53 debit and credit 1 lakh, 1 lakh 10,000 means 2 lakh 10,000, 2 lakh 52,500, 600 and 53,000 if we add 400. Okay, and debit side also 2 lakh 53,000. Okay, this is how we have to prepare branch stock account if damage or shortage or something is given. Alright, now let's go to branch debtors account. To balance brought down. Is there any debtors? No debtors. Is there any closing debtors? No closing debtors. So what is mentioned? Stock and debtor. Ascertain profit or loss made at the branch according to stock and debtors. So we have to calculate profit and loss. See, is there any debtors opening or closing? There is no opening closing debtors. Goods sent is there and credit sale is there. So here write nil to opening balance. Credit sale how much? See here 1,10,000 is a credit sale. Right, 1,10,000. Okay, goods returned from customer. How much it is returned? 3,000. Here see, before the stock, goods returned from customer. How much? 3,000. Cash receive how much? Is there any cash receive from customers? 80,000 is the cash receive. Right here 80,000. Now discount allow and bad debts. See any entry relating to discount allow and bad debts. Here discount allowed to customer 2,000 and there is no bad debts. 2,000 discount allowed. Okay, bad debts is there. See, check whether the bad debts are not. Invoice, goods returned from customer, discount allow, credit sale, cash sales. So there is no bad or doubtful debts. So keep this one also nil. Now calculate 1,10,000. Here 85,000 means 25,000. 15,000 and 10, 25,000 overall. So by balance carried on is 25,000. Okay, so write the total ledger account 1,10,000. Ledger account balance is okay. Overall ledger is 1,10,000. Now expenses account. First, write how much expenses. Here branch incurring. Here invoice, cash sent to branch to meet the expenses. Okay, so the expenses is 6,800. Any discount allowed? Yes, 3,000 we have. 3,000 or 2,000 discount allowed. So write discount allowed 2,000. There is no bad and doubtful debts, so you can write here nil. By carried on is 8,800. So the total ledger balance is 8,800 and by balance carried on is also 8,800. Okay, to tally this one we have to write ledger should be tallied 8,800 and 8,800. Now final branch adjustment account. Here to closing stock cost plus, to opening cost plus by goods sent, then balance carried on. Closing stock is given or not? Let's see. Opening stock is not given, but there is goods from which is 50,000. Okay, goods sent from head office to branch. Look, opening stock is completely nil. There is no opening stock, so I have written. And goods sent is 50,000 overall. Yeah, closing stock, whether it is given or not, it is given in this problem. Closing stock, that's to 42,500 closing stock. Okay, right here 42,500 for closing stock. 42,500 into 25 divided by 125. See on calculator how much we are getting. 42,500 into 25 divided by 125. Okay, so the overall amount we are getting 8,500. Now this is 50,000, this is 8,500, means overall 42,500. So right here 50,000 and here also 42,500, 41,500. Okay, because this is 8,500, so 41,500. See, is there any other entries? Yeah, branch P&L entries. Okay, how much? 100. Okay, this is 100, we have already written there, so these 100 we have transferred here. So 41,400. Now balance carried on. You can write here in place of P&L with that damage also. This entry for damage of goods. Now 50,000 minus 8,500 means 41,500. Then minus 100 means 41,400. 41,400. Right here, see, 50,000 minus, okay, so 41,400 to tally the overall ledger balance, 50,000 and 50,000. Now last pro forma, profit and loss account. Expenses, how much expenses we have got here by balance carried on? 8,000. Change means 8,000, 8,000, 6,000, 6,800. Okay, two expenses after that, two discount or to damage, this will appear here. So to damage, cost of short. How much cost of short? 400 is cost of short, means it's a losses. So we have got 400 cost of short. Now after cost of short, profit and loss account. Here by branch P&L, how much branch P&L is here? Branch adjustment 41,400, that is known as branch P&L. 41,400. From these 41,400, first deduct 400, then means 41,000, then deduct 6,000 means 45,000, then 44,200, not 44, 34, sorry. So it's overall 34. How much? Calculate. 34,200. 41,000, then 34,200. Now this is also okay. to profit and loss. How much profit we have got? 34,200. This much of profit we have got. Okay, here see, this is a question number 13 we are doing, and this is through the problem is solved through debtors and stock and debtor system. First we have to write branch stock. Okay, then a different performance we have to perform. Cost short of is a 400 is cost short. Okay, here one thing, discount allowed, we have forget the discount allowed. Right here discount how much? 2000 is the discount. So now it is 32,200. That means 32,400. Okay, see 32,200 we have got the profit same. It is mentioned here 32,200. Okay, this is the way in the books of head office. First we have to prepare branch stock account. It is very easy, just take the stock related issues entries. Okay, if you like this video, you can subscribe for more videos and channel. Okay, for more videos go to my channel and playlist. You will find the different types of playlists. Okay, here see to discount. Okay, this is how expenses accounts are prepared. This is how branch adjustment accounts are prepared. Then the finally profit and loss account will be prepared here. Okay, if you want much more videos, subscribe my channel, or else you can visit my YouTube channel, and from there go to the playlist, go to branch accounting. You will find the branch accounting videos. Okay, this okay, this is how we have prepared. So this is my channel, House of Accounts, remember, and branch accounting from branch accounts.